Circuit Chaser. Hi, my name is Carrie. I'd like to spend a few minutes talking with you about an exciting new product manufactured by American Transportation Technology, Circuit Chaser. Circuit Chaser instantly finds and temporarily repairs short or faulty circuits in your truck's electrical system. The Circuit Chaser is actually two products in one. First, it is a state-of-the-art circuit tester. Before attaching it to your trailer, use it to check all the lines on the tractor. This test can be conducted in approximately 3 minutes by either the driver or a mechanic and requires only one person to perform the test. The Circuit Chaser has several advantages over other testers currently available. The Circuit Chaser has both a male and female end, which allows you to test the cable, the tractor, and the trailer. The ability to test both the cable and the 7-pin connector allows a mechanic to determine in which area the fault lies. This minimizes the time it takes to chase down a fault and reduces the necessity to use a test lamp, thus saving the mechanic considerable time. Other testers allow for testing at the cable end only. Consequently, a test lamp must also be used. To perform the test by yourself, plug the Circuit Chaser into the cable end nearest to the trailer. Then, take the cable into the cab and run through your lighting system. If all the LEDs light, your tractor's lighting system is okay. You will notice that the Circuit Chaser has pairs of LEDs. One light works on positive ground, the other works on negative. If one or more of the LEDs is unlit, unplug the Circuit Chaser and move it to the 7-pin connector on the tractor. If all the LEDs are now lit, you know the problem is in the cable. If the LED is still out, the problem is in the tractor. When using the indicator markings to identify the faulty circuit, Circuit Chaser must be plugged into the 7-pin connector for proper orientation. By checking the system prior to leaving the terminal, problems can be corrected before the truck is put on the road. When you are on the road and have a problem with the electrical system, the Circuit Chaser provides a fast and safe temporary repair by allowing you to isolate a fault in the tractor or cable, bypass it, and apply power directly to the required circuit on the trailer, so you can be back on the road in minutes. To bypass the short or open line until permanent repairs can be made, plug the Circuit Chaser into the end of the cable nearest to the trailer. Identify the faulty circuit, unplug the unit, and unscrew the pin on the line next to the unlit LED to isolate the fault. Install the brass jumper strap over the center pin and bend the tail into the hole where the pin was removed. The center pin or auxiliary circuit is hot, allowing power to be jumped around the fault. Plug the cable and the attached Circuit Chaser into the trailer, and you can proceed on down the road. The Circuit Chaser can also be placed behind the first trailer in a double setup. In order for the bypass feature to work, power must be available on the center pin, and the pins must point toward the tractor. If after you've placed the unit in the line, bypassing the faulty circuit, and the light on the trailer still does not work, it is either a burned out bulb or a severed wire on the trailer. Circuit Chaser will not fix either of these situations. Remember, if a problem occurs when the vehicle is on the road, it is the responsibility of the driver to correct it and move the vehicle promptly. If the problem cannot be corrected by the driver, it may be necessary to call for a service vehicle to repair the fault, or tow the truck to the nearest repair facility. Either of these situations is expensive. Other costs associated with lighting problems are fines. With both state and local coffers at an all-time low, it has become necessary to find new sources of revenue. The commercial driver has become an excellent source for that revenue. What once was a fix-it ticket has now become a substantial fine. The Circuit Chaser is an inexpensive insurance policy against on-the-road lighting problems. This is especially true when comparing the price of a Circuit Chaser to the cost of a ticket or on-the-road repair charges. This does not even include costs associated with not delivering a load on time. Because the Circuit Chaser is both a circuit tester and on-the-road repair device, it has a much broader market than existing products. It can be used by fleet operators, leasing companies, independent repair shops, mechanics, owner-operators. Circuit Chaser, another quality product from American Transportation Technology. Heavy-duty products that keep you moving.